Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live, and
me, Linda.
We wanted to share with you all the fitting and picking up my new artificial eye, don't Mam?
We really did. We just thought it'd be lovely to take everyone else with us on the journey. We'll have to link up there the first part of when you had the moulding done.
Absolutely. And it was so nice for this first one for the fitting to be a little bit later on. And we went to a lovely cafe for breakfast.
We really did. It was
called Hampton and Rui.
It was really lovely, wasn't it?
It was absolutely incredible. That toast was so lovely.
I can still taste all of the wonderful flavours.
Me too. And we can't wait to go back to Manchester at some point and go back there.
Definitely be going back there.
I think next time I'll try the French toast.
Oh, I think that's got to be one.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in.
We're looking forward to sharing the appointments with you all now.
Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. It's about trying, find the silver lining. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see it, flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. You will miss it. I try to walk between the raindrops, ride the waves of every storm. I thought our love was always worth fighting for. I'm standing on an empty rooftop, finding out where to begin. Time to let go, give up, give in.
After trying both of the artificial eyes in, they thought that it would be better to have the wax one.
It just seemed to be a little bit more stable as the one just made of acrylic started to turn. It was turning, so it wouldn't be any good because it made it look as if you're looking upside down.
Yeah. So now the next part will be after they've painted it for me to go and pick it up.
She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone. But she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel. Even though she got knocked down, it never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately, your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy egg. I remember her in song.
Is it good? The bouncy pan of chocolate.
It's incredible, isn't it?
It really is. I'm looking forward to having mine.
definitely very chocolatey. It's a really lovely chocolate, and I love how the outside here is hard too.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all my troubles behind. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. And I won't try to change your mind, 'cause you and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
Imagine a world where we all belong, where no one's left out, dressed in our finest, walking the walk. Ooh, imagine what we could do. Happy days be our guests, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. No need to seek shelter.
The food here at the Indian tiffin room is absolutely delicious. We really hope that you all enjoyed coming along with us. It was so lovely to be able to share with you all everything. Now it is the time for me to start slowly building up the time with my artificial eye.
That's it. They've said it's gradual process, bit by bit, and then hopefully be able to wear it all day.
It'll be absolutely great. We're hoping within the next few months for me to be able to be wearing my artificial eye during the videos too.
That is a really good aim, and that's what the lady we see was saying as well. So just gradually building it up now.
Absolutely. We really hope that you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please subscribe. We'd love to have you on our journey. This time in the comments, we'd love to know if you enjoyed coming along with us.
I think that's a great question. It's really lovely to take everyone along with us with some of the appointments that you have.
It really is, and we're hoping to continue with this as well.
That's it. Depending on which hospital we're going, depending on the appointment and what's happening, it's going to be really good to be able to take everyone along with us.
Absolutely. Either take you all along with us to the hospital or give you an update.
I think that's a great idea.
We really can't wait to see you all here again next time. Bye. Take care.